Let me show you how to make this healthy, creamy chicken pasta that tastes absolutely delicious. Start by adding salt to boiling water and a cup of pasta. Cook for 10 minutes, remove half cup pasta water and drain the rest. Next, olive oil in a hot pan, add bell pepper, cloves of garlic, chopped tomato, season with salt, pepper, paprika, lots of Italian herbs. Cook till soft, then add in a blender cup with the pasta water, some fresh basil and low-fat cream cheese. Blend that all for a few minutes, you want it to be nice and smooth. Then for the chicken you want to season with the same spices you used earlier. Mix, then back in the same pan, cook the chicken for 5 minutes. Add the pasta and the sauce. Mix well, let it simmer for a few minutes and you're ready to eat this delicious pasta.